Hi guys, Bon here, and today we are going to be talking about something that's a little bit different, and that is how much of a gambler are you? Because if you are a semi-moderate gambler, then I have a gamble for you, and then that is to buy Domino's put options. So today I'm going to be talking about buying Domino's put options, why I'm planning to buy it, and if it is something that you might be interested in. So with that, let's go. Now to start off with, the question is, should you be buying Domino's put? Now in this video, I'm going to tell you guys why I'm going to be buying Domino's put. So I'm going to start off with why I'm going to be buying Domino's put options. So if you guys didn't know, Domino's is going to be publishing their quarter 3-ish, their quarterly earnings tomorrow before the market opens. Now let's look at the charts to see how they did in the previous few earnings. So the first earnings was on April 23rd, and as you guys can see here, April 23rd was a down day, but as you guys can also see that it had a very, very big up week to 2 weeks before they really published their earnings right here, and then their stock crash. It was a pretty big negative day there. And then their next earnings day was right here, 7/16 on July 16th. And as you guys can see, it started rallying up all the way from here, went up to its highest point here, and then the day that it released its earnings, it went down a little bit, but the next day, it went down even more. Same thing with this. It dropped first, and then it dropped continuing on the next few days. So does this. This also dropped for the next few days. So now let's look at what's going on right now. Right here was when the market dropped after September 2nd. I'd say that the rally really started around here on 9/16, and now it is 10/7. It's around 2 weeks, and it's had a fantastic run. It went all the way from $385 to $430. That's a positive of around 10-15%. Very, very good run, but now that it's at its highest point, I think that once it publishes its earnings, the stock is going to drop. So that is what I think is going to be happening tomorrow. I think that tomorrow is going to be a negative day and Friday is going to be a negative day. Okay, let me repeat this. This is just my opinion. Please by no means take it. Okay, this is dependent on how risky you are and how much of a gambler you are. Now, just to reiterate again, and that I am not confident that it's going to go down. Be very careful with this. I can pretty much 80% guarantee that Domino's is going to have a very, very good earnings. Very, very good earnings. But from what we've seen, they've always had good earnings, but their stock prices drop because they had a lot of run up to the earnings. So I think that it's also going to drop tomorrow and Friday, but be careful and good luck with it, okay? All right, so now let's talk about how I'm going to be playing Domino's put options. All right, so let's go to the options page, and as you guys can see here, it is at $430. For the options, for me, I would buy it at October 30th because you always want a lot of room. Right? You always want a lot of room. For me, I'm planning to sell it Friday or Monday, so I want to sell it way before it ends. Right? If we scroll all the way down here, we can see that right here is $432.50. This is in the money options. This is out of the money options. And for me, I would buy it at $425. The $425 put option, which is around $14 per share. Personally, I think that if the stock does go down, it would go down to at least $425, probably even way past $420. My estimate is that it would hit around $415. It would have a hard time hitting the $400, but $415 should be relatively easy-ish within 2 days, within 2 to 3 days, and not tomorrow, obviously. But within 2 or 3 days, I think it should hit around $415-ish. Okay, so I'd say buy a $425 put option or a $520 put option. Either of those is fine. That is what I'm planning to do. I hope you guys did well in the run-up to the earnings. I hope you guys made a lot of money. But tomorrow I'm going to release another few stocks that I'm looking in to buy also before earnings, because I think that those stocks have a very good potential to just make money and then just sell it off before it hits earnings, so that you can get a pretty sure amount of profit. Alright, so with that, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys are doing well in your investments, okay? If you guys have any questions or comments, please leave it in the comments below. If you like my videos, please hit the like button. It would help me out tremendously. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I would love you guys forever. Alright, so thank you very much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!